Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a party ledger using GST number. In earlier versions of Tally, less than TallyPrime 5.0 versions, we need to create a ledger, everything by providing all the information manually. But now we are going to discuss just by using a GST number how to create complete ledger of the party. So first I am going to show you creating a ledger using a GST number. So when you are in ledger creation screen, in the right side you will see the option called as fetch GST details using a GST number. Simply click on this button and paste the GST number, then hit enter. You will be getting a dialog box in this way. So here, if I just press the shortcut key Ctrl+A, all the ledger information will be captured automatically as per GST system database. So only thing is that I need to choose the under group. So whether he is my sundry creditor or sundry debtor, I need to add. So just now I have added sundry debtors. And still, if you wanted to make any changes, you can make changes on the ledger name, on the address name as well. So in this way you can create a ledger. So you don't need to worry to contact the party or to go to GST portal to collect the party address. With one click you can create the ledger. Now not only these single ledgers, I wanted to create multiple ledgers using their GST number. In one click I wanted to bring all the ledgers into my Tally application. Make sure first you need to store your GST numbers in an order and remember the column and also the sheet name. Okay, and control your save. Currently this Excel is available on my desktop in the name of GST numbers. Now some GST numbers are available. I wanted to import these GST number along with the ledger creation. So to create multiple ledgers at a time, click on the button go to and search for multi creation of ledgers using GST identification number. Click on this button. In the right side you need to click on the button import GST number and go and specify the path. So use the option select from drive and I go to desktop. In the desktop I already have a GST number Excel file. Import and then my data available in sheet 1 in column number A. So my data available in column A, so select column A and accept. Now the multiple ledgers GST number is going to show. Just press Ctrl+A, so the ledger creation will be completed. So in this way you will see. Now for all of them, by default the under group selected as sundry debtors. If you wanted to change them, you can change under group at a time to all these ledgers using this under group option. You can use any under group. By default I go for all items. So in this way you can import GST numbers and I press Ctrl+A. Ctrl+A to save it. You can go and check under alter ledger. I can see there is a new ledger created, that is in the name of Sagar Computer. So in this way it will works, right? Thank you.